English is the most essential and fundamental prerequisite for the CSS exam. The primary challenge that aspirants face is the dilemma of written expression. This challenge is often blown out of proportion, portrayed as an elusive and difficult skill to master. An excellent command of the English language is a prerequisite. If a person's English is not up to the mark, even 10 years of preparation will not suffice. No one is born with mastery over a language, it is a skill learned through consistent hard work and effort. Improving language is a continuous process, much like nurturing a garden, it takes time, patience, and regular attention. One must strive for clarity in expression. As Matthew Arnold says, have something to say, and say it as clearly as possible. The more you write, the more refined your expressions become. The mind is receptive, like a sponge. The more you read and listen, the better you will become at both writing and speaking. As Francis Bacon says, reading maketh a full man, conference a ready man, and writing an exact man. Write on a daily basis and have your work checked by an English teacher. Read Dawn magazines, novels, and different books to improve both your English and your expressions. Write concisely in your own words, summarizing what you read. After all, brevity is the soul of wit. Bring brevity and beauty into your composition. Write with flow, coherence, and unity. Practice, practice, and practice. This is the only way to achieve impressive expression and striking English. My advice may seem irrational to some, but I have personally found it highly effective. Method to sharpen your skills. 1. Daily practice, for just 2 hours each day. Randomly select paragraphs from newspapers. Read them one by one and write down their essence. 2. Repetition and precision, for instance. Take a paragraph, read it twice or thrice, and then quickly and precisely write down whatever you can recollect. 3. Multiple perspectives, this practice will benefit you in several ways. 4. Writing improvement, your writing will improve immensely. 5. Polished expression, your expression will become more polished as you learn new words and familiarize yourself with the sentence structures used in the paragraphs. 6. Concise writing, as you write the crux of what you've read, you will learn to write more concisely and to the point. Skills crucial for exams. 7. Sharpen memory, your memory will sharpen since the piece of writing first goes through your eyes, is stored in your mind via visual memory, and is then cemented when you write it down. 8. Exam readiness, this practice will help you develop the ability to be precise and to the point, which is essential during exams. And finally, point 9. Natural vocabulary growth, your vocabulary will expand organically, almost as if it's being injected directly into your mind. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. CSS Achievers learn and lead.